Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance PC builds with the EVGA X299 Micro Motherboard. Designed to support Intel Core X series processors, including the latest Cascade Lake X, Skylake X, and KB Lake X chips, this compact mATX board packs a serious punch. One of the standout features of the X299 Micro is its support for up to 128GB of DDR4 RAM in quad-channel configuration, ensuring smooth multitasking and lightning-fast responsiveness. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or power user, this motherboard has the memory capacity to handle your needs. But it's not just about memory capacity. The X299 Micro offers blazing fast storage options with support for U.2, M.2, and PCIe drives. Plus, it's Intel Octane memory ready, utilizing cutting-edge 3D X-Point technology to deliver unparalleled SSD performance and drastically reduce loading times for your favorite games and applications. Connectivity is also top-notch, with a generous array of USB ports including USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type A and Type C, ensuring compatibility with the latest peripherals and accessories. And with built-in 802.11 AC dual-band Wi-Fi and an Intel i2 19GB NIC, you'll experience reliable and high-speed network connectivity. But perhaps one of the most exciting features of the X299 Micro is its advanced BIOS interface, which includes in-BIOS stress testing and an OC robot for automatic CPU overclocking. This makes it easier than ever to squeeze every last drop of performance out of your system without the hassle of manual tweaking. In terms of build quality, the X299 Micro doesn't disappoint. With an 8-layer PCB and a CPU socket boasting 150% higher gold content, this motherboard is built to last. Plus, its 12-phase digital VRM ensures industry-leading stability even under heavy loads, making it perfect for demanding applications. Overall, the EVGA X299 Micro is a powerhouse motherboard that ticks all the boxes for high-performance PC enthusiasts. Whether you're building a gaming rig, a content creation workstation, or anything in between, this board has the features and reliability to take your PC to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.